What if I told you one of the most exciting One UI 8.5 features you've been waiting for still isn't coming in the beta? Yes, Samsung has officially delayed a major quick panel customization feature, and it won't arrive until the One UI 8.5 stable update. Samsung recently confirmed that the much hyped quick panel grid customization is not ready yet. Even though One UI 8.5 Beta 4 is already rolling out, this feature is still missing on Galaxy S25 devices. Now, here's why this matters. With One UI 8.5 and Good Lock, Samsung promised some bold upgrades, especially for the QuickStar module. One of the biggest highlights was the ability to customize the quick panel grid. This means you'll be able to adjust the size of quick setting buttons, change their layout, tweak orientation, and fully personalize how your quick panel looks and feels. But right now, it's simply not there. According to a Samsung moderator, the button grid customization feature will arrive after the stable version of One UI 8.5 rolls out. So if you're testing the beta hoping to try it early, you'll have to wait a little longer. The upcoming QuickStar upgrade is actually huge. Once it goes live, you'll be able to customize the quick panel even in landscape mode, change the orientation of toggles, set an image as the background for toggles, fully control the grid layout. This is next-level personalization, something Galaxy fans have been asking for. Good Lock already brings a lot of features in the current beta, but Samsung clearly has bigger plans. We're also expecting a major showcase of these upgrades at the upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event, so things are about to get interesting. The One UI 8.5 stable update is expected to start rolling out in April, and that's when this powerful customization feature should finally arrive. So the real question is, are you excited for this level of control over your quick panel, or are you tired of waiting for Samsung to unlock it? Let me know in the comments below. And if you love staying updated on Samsung's latest One UI features, hidden tricks, and Galaxy news, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because you don't want to miss what's coming next.